Hello, this is Dr. Jay Hartley in St. Augustine, Florida at the Hartley Chiropractic and Scoliosis Center. And today we're going to be talking about the Nasium Atlas X-ray. And what the Nasium X-ray is, it's a very specific X-ray that a upper cervical chiropractor gets listings from to do a very specific adjustment. And so the key to it is you get the central ray going right through the plane of the occiput in the atlas. So I have the bottom half of the skull, the first cervical or the atlas, the second cervical or C2, so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. But if I pull down here, you'll actually be able to see there's a joint right there. So that spine can get out of alignment one way or the other, or it can actually rotate, and we'll show you that x-ray in a second. But it's very important to have a very specific x-ray to get the listing to see how the adjustment is. So, for example, if the spine is out of alignment over to the left and tilted, then the adjustment is going to be done at a certain angle. And then there's two other x-rays that we do, and it creates a three-dimensional listing of the atlas. So this is the front view, and it creates what's called the Nasium listing, which is the relationship between the skull, the first cervical, and the upper cervical spine. And that creates a series of angles that we do the adjustment for in the front view. Then we also take a side view, so then we're looking at the atlas from the side view, and then on that one, we're going to look and see how the atlas is tilted like this, either superior or inferior. And then the last x-ray view is what's called a base posterior view. And so if the patient looks up at the ceiling, we then take the tube and lower it down, and we're taking an x-ray straight through here. And what that does is it lets us see if there's any rotation in the atlas from the top view. So if you're looking like this, we're going to see is the atlas rotated like that, okay? And so all that puts together a very specific listing that we do the specific adjustments, and it's really some amazing stuff. So this has been Dr. Jay Hartley, Hartley Chiropractic and Scoliosis Center in St. Augustine, Florida.